Let's be real, we've all been there. I'm here today to share my story of how I went from a broke college student to a millionaire by the age of 30. It wasn't easy. College was a whirlwind. Ramen noodles, hand-me-down clothes, and a flat bank account. Please subscribe to my channel. Sound familiar? I was right there with you. But I knew one thing. I didn't want to stay stuck. That's when I got serious about money. I started reading everything I could about personal finance. Knowledge, my friend, is power. This was about taking control of my future. It was about building a life of financial peace. It's time to ditch the ramen noodle budget and start writing your own financial success story. Ever heard of compound interest? It's like magic, but the good kind. It's the snowball effect of earning interest on your interest. The earlier you start, the bigger that snowball grows. Imagine this. Two people, both wanting to retire millionaires. One starts investing in their 20s, the other in their 40s. Guess who has an easier time? You got it. The early bird. Starting young isn't about having tons of cash. It's about forming habits. It's about putting even small amounts away consistently. Trust me, those small amounts add up over time. They grow into something powerful. Don't wait for someday to start investing. Someday is today. Make time your ally and let compound interest work its wonders. You'll thank me later. Investing doesn't have to be scary. Think of it like planting seeds. You choose good ground, solid investments. You water them regularly, consistent contributions, and you give them time to grow. Now, I'm not talking about gambling on the latest stock tip. I'm talking about long-term, diversified investments. Think mutual funds, index funds, and real estate. These are the workhorses of a solid financial portfolio. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs in the market. But don't panic. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Ride out the storms, and you'll reap the rewards. The key takeaway? Invest wisely, be patient, and watch your wealth grow. Now you might be wondering, what's the Bible got to do with my money? Well, a lot more than you might think. The Bible is full of wisdom about handling money God's way. Proverbs 22:7 tells us, "The rich rule over the poor, and the borrower is a slave to the lender." That's a powerful statement about staying out of debt. We'll dive deeper into that later. Proverbs 13:11 says, "The wealth of the wicked is laid up for the righteous." This verse reminds us that wealth should be used for good and not for selfish gain. Another key principle is generosity. Proverbs 11:25 reminds us, "A generous person will prosper. Whoever refreshes others will be refreshed." Giving back isn't just the right thing to do. It's also a smart financial move. See, when we align our financial decisions with biblical principles, we're not just building wealth, we're building a life of purpose and meaning. The debt trap. Avoiding the quicksand of overspending. Debt is a dangerous trap. It feels like a quick solution, but it's a long-term problem. It steals your income and robs your freedom. The borrower is a slave to the lender. How do you escape the debt trap? Live below your means. Spend less than you earn. Say no to impulse purchases. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Getting out of debt is like lifting a huge weight off your shoulders. You'll breathe easier and have more peace of mind. Dodging common money mistakes. We all make mistakes with money. The key is to learn and move forward. Let's talk about common financial pitfalls. First, not having a budget. It's like driving without a map. Create a budget and track spending. Next, impulse buying. Wait 24 hours before buying. You might not need it after all. Finally, save for emergencies. An emergency fund protects you. Avoid these mistakes to build a solid financial foundation. The power of the pack. Surrounding yourself with financial wisdom. You've heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. It's true for your finances too. Surround yourself with people who are financially savvy. Seek out mentors. Join communities of like-minded individuals who are on a journey to financial freedom. Don't be afraid to ask for advice. Learn from the experiences of others. When you surround yourself with positive influences, you'll be amazed at how your financial knowledge and confidence will grow. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. There's strength in numbers, and there's wisdom in seeking guidance from those who've already walked the path you're on. Multiplying your streams, creating multiple avenues of income. Want to accelerate your journey to millionaire status? Create multiple streams of income. This is about diversifying your earnings and creating financial security. Think about it. If you lose your job, having other income sources can be a lifesaver. It also allows you to invest more, pay off debt faster, and reach your financial goals quicker. There are countless ways to create multiple streams of income. Start a side hustle, invest in rental properties, write an ebook, or explore online business opportunities. The possibilities are endless. Remember, building wealth is not just about earning more. It's about creating a financial ecosystem that supports your goals and provides you with options. The gift of giving. Sowing seeds of generosity for lasting rewards. Now, let's talk about something that's often overlooked in the pursuit of wealth: generosity. Giving back to others is not just a nice thing to do. It's a fundamental principle of financial success. Remember what Proverbs tells us? Whoever refreshes others will be refreshed. When we give generously, we're not just helping others, we're opening ourselves up to blessings. Find a cause you're passionate about and support it financially. Volunteer your time and talents. Remember, generosity is not about how much you give, but about the heart behind it. When you make giving a part of your financial plan, you're not just building wealth, you're building a legacy of generosity that will outlive you. The long game, patience, persistence, and the path to financial freedom. Becoming a millionaire by 30 or at any age isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about making smart choices, being disciplined, and playing the long game. It's about patience. It's about trusting the process. It's about staying the course even when things get tough. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is financial freedom. Be persistent. Don't give up on your dreams, even if you encounter setbacks along the way. Learn from your mistakes, adjust your strategy, and keep moving forward. And most importantly, trust the process. Building wealth takes time, effort, and consistency. But I promise you, the rewards are worth it. So, stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep your eyes on the prize. Financial freedom is within your reach, one smart decision at a time.